Hello and good morning dear students. Hello and good morning dear students. So today we are starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 28, the distance formula. Okay, distance formula. Now please don't go with the distance that we have learned in speed, distance and time. That is different. Now this is we are doing in coordinate geometry. So I am telling you coordinate geometry. Coordinate means abscissa and ordinate. The first one is called abscissa, the second one is called the ordinate. Now we have done this in coordinate geometry properly, how to trace the coordinates of A. See, A I am writing x1, y1. So A is the point out here. So on x-axis it is x1 unit, on y-axis it is y1 units. Similarly for B it is x2, y2. From here till here it is x2 and from here till here it is y2. So these are the coordinates of B and E. Okay, so the same concept we are doing it out here. X-axis and y-axis. A and B I have taken 2 points whose coordinates are this. Alright, if we are asked to find the distance between A and B, see with a scale I can join this, but I will not be getting the exact distance between A and B. In order to find the exact distance between A and B, what we will do is, there is a formula that we need to use. So I have written out here distance between A and B. Remember that A is a point on xy plane, B is another point on xy plane having different coordinates. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. If we are asked to find the distance between A and B, what is the distance between A and B? Then the formula is this. Root over, alright, root over x1 minus x2 whole square, very simple. Difference of abscissa whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, difference of ordinate whole square. Okay, first number, subtract, square plus second number, subtract and square. This first number is called abscissa, the second one is called the ordinate. Okay, so once again the formula is, boys, root over x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay, now please make a note of this. I have also put a video, introductory video. Okay, if you have gone through that, and today we'll start exercise 28 using this formula. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, let us continue and let us start exercise 28. The first question is, find the distance between the following pairs of points. So 2 points given to us. This is the first point, this is the second point. Remember that I've given the formula, right? It was A and here it was B. x1, y1, x2, y2, and we are finding the distance between A and B. The same formula we have to use. A, B. Remember that this is A, so I am keeping this point as A, and this was B, I am keeping this as B. Now please don't write x1, y1, x2, y2 like this. Okay, we will straight away find the distance between these 2 points using the formula. Alright, so distance, please write down, distance between AB is given by the formula. First we'll write down the formula, okay? Difference of abscissa, first number minus first number, that is x1 minus x2 square, and then plus y1 minus y2 square. Very simple. So it's very easy to remember. x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Okay? Now you tell me which is x1 minus 3, which is your x2? 2 only. Okay, so root over, take the first values, minus 3 minus 2 whole square, plus take the second number 6 and minus, it's already minus, so I am using another bracket out here, 6, the second number, minus sign is there, minus sign, and minus 6, no, so minus 6 square. So please use this bracket out here because the second number itself is minus 6. Okay, now if you see it is minus 5 square and minus plus, so that is 6 plus 6 is 12 square. So therefore minus 5 square, 5 5s are 25, and minus plus, so this is 25, 12 square 144, so therefore this will be root 169. And root over 169 is a perfect square number, that is 13 units. 13 units. The reason I am writing units is because I don't know the unit, whether it's centimeter, whether it's meter. So it's simply to write units. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, the second question I've already done out here, so I'll just explain you what I have done. So find the distance between 2 points A and B. A is having coordinates minus A comma minus B. B is having coordinates A comma B. So we are finding the distance between this point and this point. Alright. So distance between A and B, use the formula root over x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Now x1 is minus A minus E square plus y1 is minus B square. Okay. Now minus A is minus 2A whole square plus minus 2B whole square. Okay. Now when I square it, the negative number becomes positive. So 2 is a 4A square plus 4B square. Okay. What I can do now is I can take 4 common inside the square root. Take 4 common. So it will be A square plus B square. Now we also know root over 4. When it comes outside of the square root, it will be 2. So it will be 2 root A square plus B square units. Okay, so this is how we have to use this distance formula. Okay, and find the distance between any 2 points given in the coordinate axis. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, so I move to question number 1, part 4. 1, part 3 you'll do yourself, 1, part 4. The 2 points given to us is root 3 plus 1 comma 1 and 0 comma root 3. So we need to find the distance between these 2 points. The same thing, distance between A and B is this formula. Now x1 means root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 minus 0 square plus y minus 1 minus root 3 square. Now root 3 plus 1 minus 0 is root 3 plus 1 square plus 1 minus root 3 square. So what do we see out here is, we see it is in the form of A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. So we just have to use the formula A plus B whole square. So for this, A square plus B square plus 2AB and then plus A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. Now root 3 square means square gets cancelled out. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, alright, 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 3. So what happens here is plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 gets cancelled out. Let us see what are we left with. So therefore, AB, distance between AB is equals to 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, which is equals to 8, alright. And 8 I can write this as 4 into 2, so hence 4 is a square root number, isn't it? So root 4 is 2, so therefore it is 2 root 2 units. So this is the way how we will find the distance between any 2 points given in the coordinates axis. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Alright boys, so next I'm doing is question number 2, part 1. Find the distance between the origin and the point given to us. So point given to us. Origin means we know it is the intersection of the 2 axes, x-axis, right, and y-axis. So this is the origin O, which has coordinates 0, 0. Okay, so one of the point is 0, 0, and the other point given is minus 8, 6. So this gives us 2 points. So O means the origin 0, 0, and A means the point which is given in the question minus 8, 6. What do we do? We have to find the distance between OA. So distance between OA, same formula, x1 0, x2 minus 8, use a curly bracket, so 0 minus minus 8 square plus 0 minus 6. Now 0 minus 6 is minus 6, minus and minus plus, so 8 square 64, minus 6 square 36, 64 plus 36 100, root over 100 means 10 units. So in this way we can use the distance formula. Very easy and interesting, right? Important as well, very scoring chapter. Your homeworks for today will be, your assignments for today will be question number 1 part 3, right? Question number 2 part 2 and question number 2 part 3. We'll complete this and submit it by tomorrow. Tomorrow again we'll start from question number 3 onwards. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Take care.